In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI character from Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser. Once the site loads, head into the image generation area by clicking on Image. This is where you'll set up everything needed to create your character. After that, choose a model. The model you select has a big impact on the final style and quality of your image, so this is an important starting point. Different models can produce different looks, so pick one that best matches the kind of AI character you want to create. Next, choose your image dimensions. This controls the shape and layout of the final result. For example, some dimensions work better for portraits, while others are better for wider character scenes. Pick the format that best fits how you plan to use the image. Then, choose the image quality. Higher quality settings can help produce more refined and polished results, although they may also take a little longer. If you want your character to look more detailed, this setting is worth paying attention to. Now select the number of generations. This determines how many image variations Leonardo AI will create at once. Generating multiple versions can be helpful if you want a few different character options to compare before choosing your favorite. Once that's ready, type in your prompt. This is where you describe your AI character in detail. Be as clear as possible about appearance, clothing, style, mood, or any other visual traits you want the model to include. The more specific your prompt is, the easier it will be for the AI to produce a result that matches your vision. If you want more control over the outcome, click the image icon with a plus to add an image reference. This can help guide the AI toward a certain look or style. Finally, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your character. Once the images appear, you can review the results and decide which version works best for you.